should everyone agree when the Rwandan defence minister said in relation to that murdered former intelligence chief, when you choose to be a dog, you die like a dog? President Kagame himself said, whoever betrays the country will pay the price, will face negative consequences. That's not your government basically nudging and winking that they were behind those killings?
Let me again put it this way. I don't know anybody who betrays a country that gets rewarded. Let me just put it this way.
Okay, but when you say you choose to be a dog, you die like a dog, is that an appropriate thing to say? Some might say that sounds like a gang leader, not a national leader.
When somebody comes after my country and threatens the security of my country...
Well, he's from your country, with respect. He was a former intelligence chief of your president.
Absolutely. So whomever it is.
He's a Rwandan.
If you threaten my country...
Did he threaten your country, the former
Yes, he did, absolutely.
Was he prosecuted?
Yes, he did.
What was he prosecuted for?
He absolutely did.
No,
we're talking about what he did.
I'm asking for what he was prosecuted
What he did is he allied himself with militias that were attacking Rwandans and throwing grenades in Rwanda.
Was he prosecuted for that? What was he prosecuted for?
Who was supposed to prosecute him?
Moments ago you told me the Rwandan government can't be accused of anything because it's not been adjudicated in a court of law. What was this former intelligence chief found guilty of in a court of law? The government
of Rwanda approached the government of South Africa to have this man extradited.
But you agreed he was convicted of no crime. We agree on that. He was convicted of no crime.
How can he be convicted when he's not allowed to face trial, which is
and yet you're
what
celebrating
Rwanda
his death.
wanted?
Fair enough. And yet you're celebrating the death of a man who was convicted of nothing.
Why should I be unhappy about my enemies and people who threaten...
Well, we don't know who threatened because he hasn't been tried, as you pointed out.